And welcome back to Talk of Alabama. Well, buying a home can be a thrilling and nerve-wracking experience all at the same time, especially for that first-time home buyer out there. It's difficult to know exactly what to expect, but most of the issues can be resolved by doing a little financial homework. And that's why we welcome Robin Greenlee with Aliant Bank this morning. Welcome to you, Robin.
Thank you so much. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Now, the first question is, for anybody out there buying a home for the first time, what would you say? What would be your advice? Because it can be a bit overwhelming.
That's right. And my first point of advice is you need a little preparation. I think most of us believe that we can simply go out and shop, start looking, and that's our first step. But really, we should start doing some financial preparation and planning and get some advice from professionals who can help us to do the best job. For many of us, our home is the largest single investment that we will ever make, and yet we do very little planning and preparing for it.
Well, and you look at just a few years back with so many foreclosures, it really kind of tightened up, the market did, as far as people didn't want to lend money because they were nervous. And now, how are you guys helping with qualified men and women out there?
Well, one thing that we really want to do is provide education and information to our clients and prospects and to all of the community out there. So we are offering a first-time homebuyer seminar this weekend at Fultondale Library, free to all comers, and we welcome you to register with my email address or call us at Aliant Bank. And we are partnering with a local realtor, Tundra Pippins with Signature Realtors, and to provide information and education on how to prepare a budget, on how to qualify. We're going to help you understand what it takes to qualify, understand how much you can borrow, and also we've got some wonderful programs to help with down payment assistance that are still available out there. So we really want to take some of the guesswork out of the process, but also give you some of the tools to be successful in that first-time purchase.
Is there a financial break, so to speak, of being a first-time buyer, homeowner?
There is, actually. Now it doesn't necessarily mean that you have never owned a home, but it can mean that you haven't been a homeowner in the last 3 years. These are some changes that came down a few years ago in the law, and so there are a number of people that may qualify for first-time homebuyer assistance programs, down payment assistance, and you may not even be aware that these things are available.
Oh, very nice. Now, how does, I would assume that first-time homeowners really help our economy, right? I mean, they're helping, historically, they've been known to help.
That's exactly right. You know, home ownership is the key way that most of us build wealth and savings, and we really are able to attain a financial level of success through the ownership of a home and real property. This is how we can build wealth, because it can tend to gain in value. So we want to help our folks out there to be successful financially, to grow your financial future, grow your economics personally and for your family. So this is one way we can help you do it. We provide budgeting guidance, buying guidance, borrowing guidance. We want to make sure that you understand the steps in the process. We'll even go into talking about credit and credit repair, because that is a problem for many people that are trying to make their first home purchase.
Yeah, to get that score back up and get on the road. Okay, in closing, it is the 17th. You can simply register by going to the website or by emailing her. We're at alliantbank.com. There's the website, email, 10 to noon. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. It's our pleasure.
Yeah, really exciting. And if you're thinking about buying, you don't want to miss it. Okay.